So guys, I never did a video like this, but I wanted to show you how simple it is if you're on a trip. I'm away, visiting, doing some work out here with a company, and I brought some few things into my my suitcase. So over there I have a black top, I have a white top, I got another black top, my black heels, my white Converse, and no, I don't have it on the bed, I have it on a piece of towel, a short pants, a black skirt, and my Vera Wen bag. I'm gonna match these outfits up and show you how just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in your suitcase can give you how many different looks. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this stuff is from Fashion Over. That is Shein, Target, Sam Edison, and my Converse, and of course, as I said, my Vera Wen bag. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to pair this outfit up while I'm here on my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Hi, good day guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl star Pollyanna, and today I am going to do a totally different type of video. However, I think it's one that you guys will appreciate as well. So before we even get started, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section. Tell me what you think. I hope you guys appreciate this video on today, because now I left town and I'm out of town. As you can see, the background looks totally different. I'm in my hotel room. I'm doing a collaboration with a company, and I have a whole bunch of stuff that I can't really talk about because the product comes out soon. So I flew out and I just did what I had to do with them. But while I'm here, as you saw earlier in the beginning of the video, is a number of different outfits that I brought with me. And I said, you know what, in case I wanted to go out, in case I wanted to go to like a little get together, or in case they said let's go out on the night. So I said, you know what, sometimes when it have exclusivity in certain contracts and stuff like that, you guys don't get to see the behind the scene, and I do my best. That's why I oftentimes say follow me on my other handles. The Star Pollyanna is going to be on the screen as well as down below in the description. But why I'm here today is because sometimes some of these same outfits that we go out with at night as influencers, you guys will be like really ecstatic to see the outfit and how we pair them up. So I have a number of like 3 tops, shorts, 2 pairs of shoes, 1 handbag, and a skirt. A long body fitted tight skirt, beautiful. So I said I'm going to show you guys how I pair these outfits up today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to, over in that little corner over there that I cleared off in the room, let me show you, in that corner over there, look, the outfits on the bed. I'm going to put on a number of different items, and I'm going to show you guys how I dress it up and just tell you where it's from and stuff like that. So before I get there, if you go on down and you just hit the like button, it'll be greatly appreciated. It just tells the algorithm that you guys like what Star Polly is bringing, and that you guys enjoy how I help you guys put your pieces together and stuff like that. So this is going to be a totally black and white, except for the denim pants that I have, kind of a look, and I hope you guys appreciate this one. So when you share it out, or you like, or you subscribe, it just helps me and tells me thank you so much for your free information. It goes a long way. It's really, really appreciated. And when you comment, I do see those comments, and trust me, I reach back to those who comment to me. Some people will be like, no, like the other week I put up a video and I was talking about my stomach flat, and one of the girls really brought a really great point out to me. She's like, no, your stomach is not flat, it's just that you have more hips and more butt, so you buy the pants a little. It was so clever the way in which she said it, that I said, I like that comment. I really did like it, and thank you so much. She knows who she is. If I had my information, I'll shout out, but shout out, she knows who she is. She watches me on a regular. Shout out to you, my love. So I'm going to pair these up now and show you guys what they look like. So Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me go do that. Okay, and this happens to be the very first look. As you guys can see, I have on a Fashion Nova top that says baddie. You guys know, bad and bougie type of girl. Yep, and on a budget. And I have on a Target type jeans because it's Saturday out here, so I get to dress down as if I was just going to like a flea market and stuff like that. And then I threw my Vera Wynn crossbody bag across me. So look very trendy. Let me move you guys up here so you guys can see. Let me show you if you guys can see this. I'm gonna angle the camera, oops, down a little bit. Is that straight? So there we go. Yeah. So, and I'm moving as far back as I can so you can see my these are my Converse that let me move this off the bed. There we go. And I'm moving as far back as you guys can see. So this is the look. And then I have on my Converse without any socks on. Guys, listen, even though your girl is still not feeling good, I'm doing it for you guys to bring the content to my channel. Hope you guys appreciate this one. So don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. It's an off the shoulders from Fashion Nova. I bought it in they had the orange one as well as a white and black. This one, the black and white. And then there was another color that I got. It's kind of like a sand brown. I'm going to put a video up here so you can enjoy that video showing the t-shirt and stuff like that. But this was the first look that I paired with my bag, and you can throw the bag across your body if you wish for, like, say you're heading out. And guys, listen, I took some basic colors. Let me show you guys. I took some basic colors just so that I can have a number of different things to wear while I'm out here as well. This video is going to be short and sweet. Let's get to the next one. Now these are my Sam Edelman shoes. I'm going to pair this off with another outfit. I'm going to do that now and show you guys what it looks like. Why I'm doing this, you'll probably ask. It's important that when you are packing your suitcase to go away on a girl's trip or a boat ride or a cruise or whatever, to kind of uniform like your outfits so that you can mix and match and pair different pieces together. So I thought of this while I was in the room here, and I say, you know what? This would be a really good video to show you guys. Hope you guys appreciate that one. So this is my knock around. Like I'm going up, running out, just casual, no problem. Hope you guys like it. I love it. And it's very, very, very comfy. And a lot of my stuff fit in here as well as my camera, which is always key. So let me go put the other one on. Okay guys, and then I throw this evening look into the mix. Guys, tell me what you think. Look at that. This is the front of her. This happens to be the side. This is the back. And then the other side. And then back to the front. Listen, when I tell you I have learned the art of packing, when I tell you, listen, let me show you. This is from Shein. Beautiful piece. Cannot go wrong. Not very heavy to pack into your suitcases. The fabric is so light that you can just fold it and pack it. And then I have the same Vera Wynn black body bag that I can throw like this. Not too big, not too evasive. I can adjust the straps for an evening night out. Tell me what you think. Why I like packing like this, and I try to pack lighter fabrics than like denims and big fat denims and stuff, because it becomes so much more bulkier in your suitcase. If I wish, let's just say I wish not to wear my Gucci belt. Let me show you what I would do. I would take it out. Now it shows my shape a little bit more when I tuck the shirt inside. But let's just say I didn't want to do that. I could just take the shirt out, and because it's black on black, look at how beautiful this matches, blends in lovely with the skirt that I'm wearing. The whole entire outfit looks extremely beautiful, looks very elegant, and you cannot tell me you don't look good for the evening dinner. Just in case the people that you're working with say, we're going out to a fine restaurant this afternoon, Polly, can you come go with us? Of course, I have the correct attire to wear to this event. The next and last one I think is my favorite. So what I did, the skirt, I was able to pair it off just in case. Because listen, as an influencer and as a young YouTuber who's probably going to be there one day, they're going to take you out for dinners. It is always beautiful to make yourself look like a businesswoman, like the person that you inspire to be. You get what I'm saying? So the other top that I got from Shein as well, I'm going to show you. So what I did is I put 2 pieces into my suitcase. This black top and the white top that I'm going to show you as well. Just in case I wanted to show a little revealing something, but I'm going to show you how classy I'm going to show that reveal. Let's put, and I'm going to use the same Sam Edelman shoes with the same black skirt and my same Vera Wang bag. Let me show you that one. So here you have it, guys. Look at this one. Look at this outfit. Listen, let me just go ahead and show you guys. This happens to be the front of it. This is so beautiful, the front. This happens to be the side of it. This is the back. And then to the other side. And then back to the front. Now, as you can clearly see, there is a little skin showing there. There is a little flesh showing there. Guys, it has some companies as an influencer. However, the skin is not showing it all the way in the back. Because for whatever reason, this skirt that I purchased from Shein goes all the way down. And if I wish, I can drop this skirt a lot lower, or I can drop it a lot higher so it hides a lot more of me while the top lands right on top of there, and just a little bit of cleavage is showing, just a little bit of skin underneath is showing, not too much, so it's not too revealing, and you still look very elegant, very classy. Same Vera Wang bag, same Sam Edelman shoes. Really lovely piece. Guys, tell me in the comment section what you think of this piece. Now, I wanted to do this haul because sometimes I have other younger YouTubers that may be watching my channel, and I carried a necklace. I'm so excited, and the necklace has matching earrings to go with it. Why I'm saying this is that sometimes you have younger YouTubers who are aspiring to be great, as well as myself. I want to climb the ladder as well. But when they start taking you out and you start going to meetings and you start going to certain events, it behooves you to be very careful to some degree what you may put on. Because sometimes what you may put on may be a turn off. And the last thing any young influencer would want to do is to turn off a company that you can work with for a long period of time. So I wanted to bring this and show you guys how I pack my bag, especially when I'm coming out on a campaign or a shoot, and they said just in case we may be going out. You know what, I'm going to give you guys all the tips because I've been in the industry, the theater industry. I've been around the circles to some degree, and I'm no expert, but a lot of things that I have learned over the years can help many of you guys aspiring as well. Because I have a few of you guys that comment down below and always shoot me up and tell me, Polly, you know, how do you do this? What type of camera you use? What? Because I studied theater. Theater was my major in college. I know to a certain degree things that may piss or trigger or turn off. Sometimes, you know, another day I will just sit down and chit chat with you guys as regards to like the type of conversations. Let me give you a perfect example. If the company says, Polly, we want to fly you out, come shoot, and your shoot time is, like they may say, call time. That's just some of the words that they use. Call time is 3 a.m. Call time is not taping time. And they say to you, that's a whole different ballgame. They say to you, I'm going to send you a cab, or I'm going to send you a taxi, or I'm going to send you a limo. That's according to the levels that you are at. You do not take the people limo and go shopping and go to Chick-fil-A and buy something to eat and then come back. Trust me, they will send you a bill. So a lot of these things. So I know that they probably would have been having a dinner after the shoot. So this is the reason why I packed this in my bag. So I looked very elegant. I look very cheeky, very young, very stylish, and I also look very up to some degree as well, based on the place in which we were going to have dinner. So I said I wanted to rope you guys in on this one. Anyway, I ramble on too long. as I oftentimes say, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section. The piece that I'm out here for is going to be released on my channel real soon. All I would say is just look for something green. That's all I can say. And when you guys see it, you would know that this is what I was doing while I was out here shooting. I love you guys. I hope this video is short and sweet, to the point. I hope you guys gain some knowledge from this. And if you want me to do more like these type of videos, just let me know, and I'll be very, 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 very thrilled to do it for you guys. Once again, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in your comment section. I'm your girl star Pollyanna. I would show you all those things that is important to propel you to the next level in this game as an influencer. Guys, you like this outfit? Simple, black and white. Let me tip. You could never go wrong with black and white. You could never go wrong with black and white, or black altogether. If you don't know, like pink might be too much, orange might be too loud, you can never go wrong with a black and white. Until we meet again next week Sunday inside Star Polly's channel, same place, same time. I'm your girl Star Pollyanna. Love you guys. Take care. Hope this one blesses you guys as well. Oh, and the hair that I'm wearing, here guys, the company that I'm collaborating with as well. Go on. Love you guys. See you next week Sunday, 8 p.m.
Go tip tip.